Hello, in today's video I'll unbox the Lenovo Cleaner T1S Pro. As you can see, the cleaner is right in front of me and I will unbox it. So let's begin by opening the box, of course, and we'll talk about all the things that we can find inside. And there is some warranty guides and everything. So that is our first part. Then we have mopping pads and I'll open them. So this is the mopping pad. It's a static mopping pad that you can just detach, wet, and reattach. It can also be filled here with water in order to keep it wet throughout the whole cleaning task. I'll put it away. Then there are replacement mopping pads in the other packaging. Yes, but they're weird. I don't think they are just like typical, or are they? I'm not sure because you can see this one is made from a different fabric. It's from like a thicker fabric, right? And then the other ones are from like this weird, they feel disposable. Maybe they are disposable, maybe they are made to be disposable. I'm not sure. We'll find out later, probably in other videos on the channel, because, well, I'm unboxing this robot for the first time, so I'll need to figure it out later. Now the rest is going to be the robot, very likely, and its charging station. I'll do the robot first. So this is what it looks like. When I open it, oh, it does look really good. It looks really nice. Yeah. The robot has its LiDAR sensor, the power button, the return to charging button, and probably that is going to be spot cleaning mode. The top cannot be opened, the top is not a cover. There are bumper protections, I'll remove them in the other video on how to set it up. Then there are these rotating side brushes. There are two of them, which make the cleaning performance better than usually. We have the main brush right here, so you can remove it and clean it or replace it. I'm wondering where the filter is and stuff, but I'll probably find out later because I don't see it at all. Okay, yeah, I forgot to put that back on. Now let's get to the other parts, of course. There surely will be a video if there's if I manage to find a place where the filter is with the dust bin, then there surely will be a video about that. And the charging station, of course, also very pretty, I think. We'll see it in a moment. I'll just put the box away so we can appreciate it a bit more. Yeah, and there it is. It is quite small, quite compact, which I do like a lot. Yeah, it has the power cord and everything. Let's see what exactly there is, because I can see a dust bag as well. So Yes, there is the power cord and the two dust bags. Two dust bags are there, so that's also great. And this is what the station looks like. Looks like that. Has the dust emptying hole here. It has the reflective parts for the sensors to locate it, and the charging pins right here. It can be opened from the top, and it comes with one dust bag pre-installed right here. So that is also great. And that will be about it about the unboxing. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.